Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. My mission is to run around 40 countries by just using Bitcoin. Join along to see how I live, eat and travel with Bitcoin. Alright, good morning. Day number 174 and I'm leaving. Thank you, my host. Look at this, it's so chill, right? And I stayed with him for 4 nights, 5 days. The basic package he offers. How are you, sir? Yeah. Alright, I'm off to my new house, but Qatar is beautiful. Until next time. Cut. Ciao, ciao, señor. Éxitos. Gracias. Wow, he's gone. Alright, so I've reached Al Saad, Al Sudan. I don't know, Al Sudan metro station. They have 2 stadiums, man. This is insane. There's one there. There's one there. I would really love to fly my drone there, but they do not allow here, man. I'm kind of scared. But let's just see if I can, or if it's just sick. Or go inside and just run. Very nice. So I've got these new pairs of shoes, but I'm wearing them. I love Hoka. And yeah, and I'm gonna give away my old shoes, which I don't use them anymore. So off they go. Huh? And there you go. And ta-da! It's Al Saad, and that's the another stadium there. कितना? साल हो जाएगा? So this is pretty awesome. I just got myself a free golf cart ride. Now I'm gonna get a free bus ride. Then it's amazing. Like Qatar is just like you move around. Don't worry, don't walk. And this is Katara Village, man. I came here to see the World Cup trophy, but I couldn't catch hold of it. Now I'm gonna go to the other place. I mean, like today, tomorrow. Hey, let's do this. Alright, man. To you all. You guys. Just have tutu, man. You can stick it around. Okay. Alright, man. To Satoshi, thank you for getting it together. Thank you. Go ahead. Thank you, man. Thank you for getting this, man. Like, I don't know. I'm with my papa, mama now. Alright. Wow. I don't know.
Rectangle.
This side?
No, make it rectangle.
Make it rectangle, yeah. Hi, good morning. What's up from Doha? And now I'm off to a place called Aspire Park. They have a nice running track, I've heard. And I'm going to show you something cool. Is this bus. It takes you for free to your house. And I'll just take it around. So this starts with metro ride, run, come back. Let's seize the day. They get slop shoes. That's a wrap from the Aspire Park. And now let's head back. Halas, this is the end of the great run. Okay, strolling just after the run is just so much fun in the AC. Like, this is a beautiful mall, man. So this is the bridge that we saw. and it is really hot. It's not pretty exciting. But they didn't let me climb the tower because they say it's only for guests. And we're going to wear casuals and I'm in running clothes, blah blah. Hi. Morning. Alright, there you go. That's a free bus service. That's pretty awesome. And here we are home. That's about it. These are my hosts. What's up? How are you guys doing?
We have a dog named Sai Pallavi, another dog named Rajesh Singhania.
Entrance this way, yeah.
Okay, this way.
And oh yeah.
Yeah. So, bro, do you have any Bitcoin?
Yes, I do.
And what's your name?
Eric. My name is Eric. That's my wife, Gwen.
When?
I have the Bitcoin.
Yeah. Like.
Don't look at this.
I know.